Yo, welcome back. This is Week Check. Let's go. Welcome back, everybody. Week Check, here to give you an insight of the upcoming drops in the next 7 days. If you're new to my channel, my name is Patrick T. I do reviews on all kind of kicks and trainers and all related stuff to do with sneakers and things like that. This is my weekly episode or series called Week Check, where I try and give you as much information as I can on the upcoming kicks in the next 7 days. Now, if you haven't already, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. You definitely need to hit the notification bell because although this uploads every Sunday, I do it at different times because that's what life throws at us. Definitely subscribe, definitely hit the notification bell. And I can't emphasize this enough. Comment. Let's talk, man. Tell me what you want to cop. Tell me what you don't like. Anything. If there's reviews you want me to look at or whatever, I can try and do that. We've got to do the housekeeping first. Everything what I tell you now is at the time of recording. You know the sneaker world. There's surprise drops, there's withdrawals, there's delays, and I can't cater for those because they happen as they happen. So hopefully I'm going to give you the information what is correct and does drop on the days they drop. Another thing to note is when I mention places like Size or Foot Patrol or other raffles, they're usually the dates the raffles are going to close. Maybe not the date the trainers are released, it might be a day earlier, but it's the day the raffles are closing because there's no point in telling you when the trainers are going to be released and you missed the raffle because it closed the day before. Another thing to remember as well, some places like Size or Foot Patrol, they will freeze the money when you enter. So if it's £150 in your bank account, it will look like the money's gone out. Obviously, if you don't win, they re-release that, but it takes about 5 days to get that back into your account for you to use. So just keep that in mind when you enter the Size and Foot Patrol raffles. They do tell you, it's in their T's and C's, but I just thought I'd give you the heads up on that. Without further ado, let's get straight into what we're talking about. And we're talking from the 23rd to the 29th of May. Monday, 23rd of May. First one we've got is a Dunk Low Light Iron Ore. This is going for £100. You can pick this up on Nike website and End as well. Next one up is a woman's Jordan 1 Elevate Low Varsity Maize. This is going for £115 on the Nike website. We then have a kid's Jordan 1 Mid SE called Amethyst Wave. I think that's right. Maybe I'm getting that wrong. This is going on the Nike website and you can pick this up for £75. Moving on, Tuesday, 24th of May. First drop is a New Balance 550 silhouette. You can pick this up on a New Balance website and they're going for £110 each. Sticking with New Balance, we then have a New Balance collab with Joe Freshgood in their 2002 R silhouette. This is called A Conversation Among Us. It's going for £120. And again, like I said, you can pick it up on the New Balance website. We then have a woman's Air Force One called R Force One. This is going for £115. You can pick this up on sneakers. Adidas are dropping a silhouette today called a Rover End. It's coming in 2 different colorways for £160 and you can get this on the Adidas website. We then have a woman's Dunk High called Light Bone. This is going for £100 and you can pick this up on the Nike website. Next is a Jordan 1 Low SE called Mint Foam. It's going for £110 and you can pick this up on the Nike website. We then have the release of the adults version of the Jordan 1 Mid SE called Amethyst Wave. This is going for £115 and you can pick this up on the Nike website. Now, last and not least, this is what I've been trying to get my hands on for a long time. And we're talking about the Celine Banbury Crocs called Pollen Clogs. £80 each and you can pick this up on Foot Patrol and S&S. Now we move on to Wednesday, the 25th of May, and the first out is a release what happened yesterday, but it's now happened on the End website, and we're talking about Celine Banbury Crocs Pollen Clogs. There's only 3 colorways being released on End, but these are again going for £80. Now the first sneakers release of the week is a woman's Air Jordan 1 Zoom Comfort called Medium Grey. This is going for £135 and like I just said, it's going to be on Sneakers app. Next up is another sneakers release, but this is the Kiddies Air Max 1 Concept Mellow and it's going for £65 like I said on Sneakers. Adidas Y3 is releasing a silhouette called Quasar High. This is going on the Adidas website or on Confirmed and it's going for £300. We then have a woman's Jordan 1 Zoom Comfort called Venice and Cell, I believe. This is going to be released on End and it's going for £135. Last but not least is a re-release of a Dunk Low Racer Blue. It's going for £90 and you can pick these up on the Nike website. Now move on to Thursday, the 26th of May, and this is a big one. And I say this because we have been waiting for ages to get our hands, or just for a release of these trainers. And we talk about the Travis Scott Air Max 1 Cactus and Trainer 1 Cactus. The Air Max 1 Cactus are coming in two colorways. They're called a Beige Brown, I probably got that wrong, and a Satin Gold. They're going for £145. And on this day, you can pick them up for Foot Patrol. I do believe Offspring are going to be doing their competition with the communities for you to try and pick those up. Probably a store pickup or something like that. So look out for that one. The Trainer ones, again, are being released in two colorways. You have the Grey Haze and Jack Brown. Again, these are going for £145. But I couldn't confirm any raffles. I do know that Offspring have been showing these. So I reckon Offspring are going to have these. Again, probably a store pickup in your area. Next up is a Nike Air Kukani Kumquat Red. These are going for £120 and you can pick these up on sneakers. Now New Balance are releasing, well, it's the same silhouette but three different versions. And I'm going to read these to you so I get this right. You have the New Balance 990 version 2 made in USA marble head going for £190. Pick it up on the New Balance website. You then have the New Balance 990 version 3 made in USA called Sea Salt. Again, you pick this up on the New Balance website and these are going for £200. You then have the New Balance 990 version 3 made in USA marble head going for £200. Again, pick it up on the New Balance website. And last but not least, what you can pick up on the New Balance website is the New Balance 990 version 1 called Made in USA, again called Marble Head. At this time it's going for £180. Now move on to Friday 27th of May. There's only one drop today, but in two colorways, and we talk about the New Balance and Jaden Smith Vision Racer White and Vision Racer Black. You can pick this up on the New Balance website and they're both going for £130. Now move on to the last drop of the week, and it's Saturday 28th of May. Only drop today is a Jordan 1 low called a Shattered Backboard, but this is a golf shoe and it's going for £115 and you can pick this up on Nike. That's it for week check. I did see some other trainers that were going to drop, but I couldn't clarify where they're dropping, so I've left them out. So I'm only, like I said to you, they probably may drop in a week, but if you follow me on Instagram, I do a daily update so you know what kicks are dropping that day. I also try and include ones that are, you know, surprise drops. So definitely follow me, Patrick T for Real, on Instagram and all other social medias like Twitter and etc. for those updates. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Please hit the notification bell so you know when these videos are being uploaded. And definitely, please hit the like button if you like this. And definitely comment. Let's talk, man. Tell me what you're going to cop. Tell me what you're not interested in. Tell me if you think these things are too hyped and you're not even going to bother, or you don't want to jump through hoops like Offspring might ask you to do. Just talk to me. It's wicked. I like talking to all you guys. But that's it. Week check for the 23rd to 29th of May is over. I'm gone. Patrick T. Peace.